How to change ringtones in iPhone. So if you want to change ringtones in your iPhone, then first you need to open up your settings on your iPhone. Once you open up your settings, you need to go with Sounds and Haptics option. Under Sounds and Haptics Patterns, tap the sound that you want to change. Tap a ringtone or alert tone to hear it and set it as a new sound. Or if you want to add a custom or buy the ringtone, you can use the tone store to buy the new sounds. These purchases are associated with your Apple ID and payment method on file. Go to Settings, Sounds and Haptics, and then tap on the ringtones. Under ringtones, you need to scroll and then tap on the tone store. Once you tap on tone store, here you can simply choose the ringtone that you would like to buy. And once you buy, you can simply select the ringtone and you can add that. So that's how you can change the ringtones in your iPhone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.